say goodbye to draws. Play India's new 68 squared giraffe chess. In this game, only win or lose, no draws. Giraffe chess is a 68 squared board game. In giraffe chess, 2 giraffes are added on each side of the board on extra squares. Giraffe jumps 3 plus 1 or 1 plus 3 long L shape in 4 squares. As giraffes are playing in chess, that's why it is called giraffe chess. It is invented by Nadamala Bhagyashree and Sai Kiran Reddy in 2012. International Giraffe Chess Federation is the registered governing body for the promotion of giraffe chess. Let us know giraffe chess rules. It is a check and it is a checkmate win. Stalemate is also a win in giraffe chess. If on board only kings left, then whoever king moves opponent side first is the winner. Here it is, white side is the winner. It is called crowning win. Threefold repetition is not allowed in giraffe chess. Same piece should not move continuously 20 times. If both sides only minor pieces left, such as knight, bishop, giraffe, then 30 moves given to both sides. If after 30 moves, still both sides have minor pieces, then more timer on chess clock is the winner. That's all. Play and support new giraffe chess. If you want to participate in giraffe chess tournaments, call to our mobile number 91003 06919.